The following is a presentation of BSS TV. Munched Ultimate Food Championship. Food is a universal language that needs no translation. In Mexico, food has gone through an evolution from the pre-Hispanic times to the adoption of European cuisine. Born and raised in Mexico City, the tale of the Mezcal Maestro starts here. Chef Flavio's culinary journey commenced over 20 years ago. His cooking pays tribute to a specific characteristic that Mexico values: grit. The Mezcal Maestro prepares for the upcoming battle by honoring his biggest heroes, the luchadors. He trains by cutting frozen meat and lifting bottles. Hours spent in front of the computer only fuel his after-hours training to manage stress through butchering and slicing vegetables. Why does he believe he can win? This is not a question he asks himself, as there is no doubt in his mind that he will win. Like Chef Flavio, Carla Cannon also hails from Mexico City, and today this fierce competitor resides in Miami. While she never has worked in kitchens like her adversaries, she was trained by her godmother, a Cordon Bleu alumni. Her street cred has earned her the nickname of Sus Jefa. Working through the markets and leveraging her food buying experience, she sources local products to practice. Her training is fueled by her goal: to outsmart and eliminate the competition. No effort goes to waste. Nothing must stop her quest. No pain, no gain. Can she win? The Sus Jefa can be small, but she is known to be scrappy. Anaheim, California. The origin of the California culinarian started when his great-grandmother moved from Germany to Los Angeles as part of a westward expansion of Escoffier-trained chefs for hotels and clubs. Like all superheroes, his journey started to impress the girls in his junior year of high school. Officially, he started his cooking career in the year 2000. Excellence requires perseverance. His training? Eating hot peppers. The Scoville scale measures the spiciness of hot peppers, and Chef Lawrence ensures that he pushes the scale daily. The cool-down, his pursuit of perfection, he tapes bags of frozen peas around his wrists and hammer curls them throughout the day. Knife practice is no joke. He has been julienne slicing number 10 snacks of potatoes every other day as speed practice to the dismay of Irish populations. Pushing himself to the limit, he learns recipes in his sleep by leaving cooking shows running all night on his bedroom TV. He knows that he has a tough challenge ahead, but he is no stranger to competition. He is confident that his arduous training will not make it easy for anyone. Known to be better at cooking than math, he knows that he has at least a 33.33% chance of becoming victorious and beating all odds. Don't miss the battle for culinary supremacy on June 15, only on BSS TV.